Need to generate PDFs online, quickly and hassle-free? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you how to use MailMergic, your all-in-one PDF generator, online and incredibly easy to use. MailMergic is a powerful online tool that lets you create personalized PDFs in bulk. Think invoices, certificates, labels, contracts generated in seconds using your own Excel data. To get started, click the Create MailMerge button. This takes you to the first step of our wizard, where you can upload your PDF template. It can be any document where you want to insert dynamic content, like a name, date, or price. In our example, we'll use a certificate template that we want to personalize with student names. Once the upload is complete, you'll be automatically taken to step 2. Upload your Excel file that contains your data, in our case, a list of students' first and last names. After uploading, MailMergic will automatically take you to step 3. In step 3, you'll see our PDF editor. On the left, you'll find placeholders based on your Excel column names. Simply drag and drop them onto the PDF. In this example, we're adding the placeholders given names and family name to our certificate. You can freely position and style the placeholders to match your layout. Click the Preview button to see exactly how the final PDF will look with your data. Enable Show Longest Occurrence to display the longest value from your dataset. This helps you catch layout issues like line breaks or overlapping text early. Once everything looks good, click Save and Next to move to the final step. In the final step, you can customize the file names of your generated PDFs. Type the @ character to insert variables from your Excel sheet. For example, naming the certificates after your students. Under Output Options, you can choose whether to generate a single merged file or individual PDFs for each entry. You can also compress the PDFs to reduce file size, especially useful when sending documents by email. Need security? Use the Password Protection section. The first box lets you set a password to open the PDF. The second controls who can modify it. Just like file names, you can insert dynamic content by typing @. Before generating, MailMergic runs an AI-powered validation to catch typos, misspellings, or inconsistencies in your data. In our example, the AI detects a possible typo in the name Mara. You can fix this directly in your Excel sheet and re-upload it. Once everything's in order, click Generate Files. MailMergic will create one PDF per row in your spreadsheet. Once your files are generated, you can download them instantly. Each one filled with the personalized data from your Excel sheet. So whether you're looking for a fast PDF generator online or a smart way to automate your document workflows, give MailMergic a try today.